Hello everyone, Chris Erkley here with your Friday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. We're talking about Deborah Marie Clark, a Riverside woman who is developmentally disabled and accused of setting a fire that killed her father and also severely injured her mother. She was in court today for a competency hearing to determine whether she was competent to stand trial. She was ruled to be incompetent. I'm joined now by Press Enterprise's Rich Diatley. Rich, does this ruling come as a surprise?
No, her family had already described her as having the mental capabilities of a 6-year-old. Her court appearances indicated that she had a hard time really comprehending what was going on. What happens next is there'll be another hearing on August 31st, a placement hearing to see where she'll go. She will be put in an institution under their care to see if she ever becomes competent enough to stand trial. And nothing happens there within 3 years. The state can put her under a civil kind of a civil hold, and that can be that would constitute another hearing, and that is open-ended. The criminal proceedings are suspended until such time as she's found competent to stand trial, which could be open-ended again, as I said.
Yeah, those criminal charges are up in the air. Also, part of that, her mother actually died later on at the hospital. Kind of complicated situation where she could later on be charged for that.
Her mother had terminal lung disease at the time of the fire. She died about a week after the blaze, and the coroner really hasn't determined what caused her death. If it is determined that she died from something of the fire, then it'd be up to the district attorney to review that evidence and decide if she should also be charged with her death along with her father's, who died immediately after the fire.
How commonplace is it for people to be later ruled competent after a ruling like this?
It has happened, but in this case, with the comment we have heard from family members, it seems highly unlikely that that may ever happen in this case.
All right, Rich, thanks for joining us. That does it for our Friday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. Be sure to stay right here on PE.com for the latest with Deborah Marie Clark.